Finally, the MorCUT-Cyclops has arrived. The dual gantry industrial camera contour cutting laser cutting machine that is rocking the clothing industry. This industrial-grade system boasts a dual gantry design and powerful 130-watt laser, coupled with a conveyor table for seamless continuous processing. Its large 1,800 by 1,600 millimeter working area and advanced SKU system accommodate large format materials and correct for distortions. The integrated camera contour cutting ensures accurate cuts along printed designs. Delivered as a complete set with an extraction fan and chiller, the MorCUT-Cyclops is ready to revolutionize your production workflow, delivering speed, accuracy, and professional results. So if you want to know more about the MorCUT and its astounding abilities, just give sales a call.